My dear students, you are welcome in live classes of Ajay. I am here to help you for getting your maximum mark in your ICSE board physics examination. So continue my classes. It will give a lot of benefits to you. Hello, good afternoon. Where were you? Okay. So I'm sharing a link. I'm teaching there. You just watch the classes. So if you will be with this class, you will face very less trouble in understanding the concepts of physics. It will be easy for you to understand, and I'm here to help you, each one of you. So don't worry about the concept of physics because Ajay sir is here to help you. I will help you to get maximum marks in your physics examination. So need not to worry. I'm here to help each one of you. Just give your time for watching the channel. Share it as much you can. Subscribe this channel. I hope you will be liking these concepts. Today we'll discuss about the lenses. So we'll talk about what are the different kind of lenses and how to. So let us understand about the lens. Please comment in comment box. Share and subscribe this channel. You are watching Ajay sir's classes. I'm here live for you all. Please comment in comment box so that I can know you're watching live. You are all welcome. Soumya, if you can see me carefully, comment in comment box. Those who are watching me live, please share my videos so that maximum student can. My dear students, today I will speak to you about different kinds of lenses. So, lenses they play a very important role in physics. If you want to understand these lenses, so they are of utmost importance for you, and I am here to help you. Let me introduce myself. I'm myself Ajay Kumar Chaube. So, you need not to worry about your exam. I'm here to help you for your physics to understand in better way. So, your understanding of physics will be excellent if you pay attention carefully what I'm talking to you. What you have to do, just subscribe my channel and share with your friend. Let me introduce one concept to you that is called lens. Now, the question is, what is lens? So, lens, you might have used this word for studies. So, lens is an optical medium bounded by two transparent surfaces in which one is at least spherical. We'll try to understand what is the meaning of this lens. क्या है लेंस का मीनिंग, हम उसको समझने का प्रयास करेंगे. So first thing is that what is lens? So lens is bounded by two optical medium. Let's just understand lens. These are two optical mediums. This is, you can take like this also. The definition of lens states that in which at least one is spherical. Out of these two bounded surfaces, one should be spherical. That is your lens. Lens is defined as transparent medium bounded by two surfaces. Please comment in comment box. So in which at least one is spherical. So this is your one lens. You can check here also. We can draw like this also lens. Don't get confused with this. This is also your lens. The definition states that at least one should be spherical. Out of these two bounded surfaces, your one surface need to be spherical. That is the specification of the lens. One surface need to be spherical. So you see here, this surface is bulging in, it's going inside, and this surface is bulging out. This is inside and this is plane. So based on the kinds of surfaces, we had the names also. For example, this is your biconcave lens. Why it is biconcave lens? इसको biconcave lens क्यों बोलेंगे? Because in this, both the surfaces are bulging in. So it's a concave lens. Please comment in comment box. Am I visible to you? Okay, all right. So so let us understand further in this. My dear students, So I was just checking my connection. It is all right. There is no problem. So lens is bounded by two transparent medium in which at least one is spherical. Between these two transparent medium, your one is spherical. One lens is spherical. So if it is not spherical, then that cannot be lens. Take care, note of this. If out of both the surfaces, one is not spherical, ये तो जो दोनों surface हैं इसमें एक अगर spherical ना हो, then we will not call it lens. Now let us understand the name. This is your biconcave lens, and this name lens you see it is called biconvex lens. And what do you call for this? You see one surface is plane, another is concave. So this is plano-concave lens. I hope you have understood. So naming of the lens is based on the property of lens. What kind of property do they have? Based on that, we name the lens. So students, you should subscribe this channel, share with your friend, and be the part of Ajay sir classes for physics. You will score maximum marks in your exam. That is my promise to you. We will see about now different property of this lens. What are the different property of this lens? Based on this, we use this lens. So property of lens, if you check, so first we'll start from convex lens. Our convex lens, this is our convex lens. This is optical center. This convex lens has got a property. The property is that if any light ray will come parallel to the principal axis. Suppose you take these light rays parallel to the principal axis. These are the light rays coming parallel to the principal axis. After refraction through the lens, they are going to pass from another side to a point that is called focus. So I think it is clear to you. Focus is that point like this. If you take some more rays from here, they will come. So this action of a lens is called converging action. The process of convergence. That's why this is called convex lens. कॉन्वेक्स लेंस जो होता है, जो भी लाइट रेज हमारी हैं वो लेंस की साइड में जो आ रही हैं, आफ्टर रिफ्रैक्शन दे आर गोइंग टू पास थ्रू अ पॉइंट दैट इज कॉल्ड फोकस. ये फोकस है हमारा. सिमिलरली सेकेंड प्रॉपर्टी इफ यू सी दैट इज फॉर कॉन्केव लेंस. इफ यू टेक अ कॉन्केव लेंस, this is our concave lens, this is optical center. The rays of light parallel to the principal axis, जो light rays हम parallel to principal axis लेंगे, we will take it. They are going to diverge like this. There will be diversion. इन rays का जो है वो diversion होगा, and because of this diversion, it will appear that it is coming from a point. This is also called focus. So convex lens, converging lens, concave lens, diverging lens. I hope it is clear to you. So convex lens is also known as converging lens, and concave lens is also known as diverging lens. Concave lens, diverging lens, convex lens, converging lens. I hope it is clear to you, because the rays of light which will come parallel to the principal axis of convex lens, it will meet at one point, that will be known as focus. For concave lens, it will become diverging, and it appears that it is coming from the focus. I hope it is clear to you. We'll go for the next concept. This is very important to understand. Have you ever thought why our convex lens is converging and why our concave lens is diverging? So to understand this concept, convex lens is converging and concave lens is diverging, what you have to do, you have to see the structure of this lens, that how our convex lens is made up of. So let me make you one convex lens for you. This is convex lens. If I do like this, just observe it. Simply you can also do it. Break it. इसको बीच बीच में आप break करो, and then join it like this. I hope you all have understood. If you have any questions, any doubt, comment in comment box. I will reply to you. My dear friend, myself Ajay Kumar Chaube, I have started these classes for clarifying the concept of physics to the student. So those students who want that their understanding of physics should be good should join these classes, share these videos with your friend and be the part of this. This is my promise to you that you will have 100% clarification of the concept, you will gain maximum benefit and then there will not be any doubt in your future. Your physics will become very easy. Those people who are not taking this seriously, remember, you will miss it if you don't take opportunity to be the part of this knowledge sharing. It is said that knowledge is power, but good knowledge is power. Remember, students, if you don't have good knowledge, if you don't have clear knowledge, then there is no question that you have power. Your power is of no use. So what to do? Be the part of Ajay's class, share my videos. Let me explain this concept to you. This concept is that how a convex lens behave as a converging lens. Concept है कि क्या रीजन है कि हमारा convex lens converging lens की तरह behave करता है. So हम लोग क्या करेंगे? We will break this. So let us broken it. Now just you observe the upper part of this convex lens. This is the upper part supposedly is made up of prism whose bases are downward, like this. And lower part of is also made up of prism whose bases are upward. I hope you are following. The bases are upward and the bases are downward. What is the property of prism? Suppose हम लोग यहाँ पे prism लें, तो prism की क्या property होती है? If the rays of light is coming on this prism, this is prism. Prism की property होती है, the ray which will come on the prism like this. सीधी यहाँ पे आप देखिए इसको प्रिज्म पे जो रेज आ रही हैं प्रिज्म की प्रॉपर्टी है कि वो इंसिडेंट होने के बाद डेविएट जो होती हैं that is toward the base. The prism has the property that light rays deviate toward the base. So when light rays deviate, check here, is it useful to also understand? The light rays deviate toward the base. So what will happen? You see, this is the light ray. This is your incident ray. Incident ray. This is your emergent ray. Now what will happen? So यहाँ पे what you have to see, you just check these rays are deviating toward the base. ये सारी rays base की तरफ आ रही हैं. So prism की जो property होती है, कोई भी light ray आएगी, it will be deviate toward the base. Now let us see this convex lens. The upper part of this convex lens is made up of prism whose bases are downward. Check it. The base is downward. And lower part of prism is made up of prism whose bases are upward. Please comment in comment box. Those who have liked my video, so please you should comment in comment box. Share it, subscribe it, Ajay Sir classes. Those who are watching me live, share my videos with your friend. Every day will be continuing so that you can get proper notification of the timing. So you can be notified properly. So this prism is made up of, this lens is made up of prism whose bases, half part bases are downward and the lower part have bases upward. That is why whenever any light ray incident on this, suppose light ray is coming like this. So what you should do? You should do deviate toward the base. Light ray is coming on this, deviate toward the base. And lower part above, because base is upward. So that is why our convex lens behave as converging lens. I hope it is clear to you, my dear friends. It is clear to you. Comment in comment box. I'll be here for 1 hour today, clarifying the whole chapter of lens. So if you want to understand lens, be with Ajay sir so that your concept should be clear. I'm here to help each one of you. My dear friend, I'm here to help each one of you. Share these videos with your friends so that they can be part of this worldwide event of clarification of concept of physics. So if you want to clarify the concept of physics, join Ajasa classes, be the part of this physics event. This is worldwide event. Ashish, bring my mobile. We'll understand next part also just now that how a concave lens behave as diverging lens. That is very important, you know. Those two people who are watching me, share my videos with your friend. Share it as much as you can. Share, subscribe, and like my videos so that maximum people can watch it and they can also get benefit of this. After this, we'll be studying about concave lenses, their properties also, which will help us in board examination. And take it in a positive way. No examination is easy. So if you want to achieve something great for you, so you should join. Keep on studying because continuous study makes us perfect. When you study carefully, you find your concept will be perfect. So, my dear friends, be the part of this event for your own benefit and share these videos with your friend. Next part which we will see, that is what happens when the light passes through the concave lens. Need not to go anywhere, be the part of this study. I will be continuing these classes. Share these videos as much you can. So let me proceed further. I will talk you about how concave lens behave as a diverging lens. You might have seen concave lens. So when the light rays appear on the concave lens, it behaves as diverging lens. So how does it happen that a concave lens behave as diverging lens? That concept we would like to understand. If you have any queries, any questions, ask. Comment in comment box. I will be here for a few more minutes and then every day we'll be continuing these classes. So now we'll see about concave lenses. Share these video link with your friend so that they can also be the part of this global revolution for the studies. Every day I will be continuing these classes for you all benefit. So let us see about concave lens. So concave lens we have as a diverging lens. I hope convex lens is clear to you. We'll talk about now how a concave lens we have as a diverging lens. What causes the light rays to diverge? So let us see that property also. Behavior of concave lens as diverging lens. Those who are watching me live, please share these videos with your friend and comment in comment box so that I can know that you are there. Please comment in comment box so that I can know you are there. It is very much necessary to observe the classes. Rajat, I hope you are watching me clearly. Let me explain you the concept of how concave lens behave as diverging lens. This question used to come in board examination. Behavior of concave lens as diverging lens. So let us first draw a concave lens. I don't think it is very difficult for you to understand. This diagram is your concave lens. Now in this diagram you see, you just break it and then let us see what we are observing after breaking it. So, if you observe it carefully, see, our lens is ready. After joining it, what you are observing? You are observing that this lens is made up of many prisms. And in this construction of this prism, you see the upper half from here to here. Their basis is upward. And if you check the lower half, then they have basis downward. So if you have understood this much, that upper half have basis upward and lower half have basis downward, then your next concept will be clear. That is, the property of prism is, this is your prism. You might have understood the property of prism. The light ray will fall on this. प्रिज्म की प्रॉपर्टी होती है जो भी लाइट रेज फॉल करती है to deviate the light rays toward the base. So these rays will be deviated toward the base like this. So when these rays will be deviated toward the base, if any light ray is incident on this concave lens from here, parallel to this lens, see this base is upward, and here also you see base is downward. So that is the reason why our concave lens we have a diverging lens. The reason of this is only that concave lens is made up of many prisms. Out of these prisms you see upper half prism they have bases upward and lower half prism they have bases downward. So when the light ray falls and the prism has the property to deviate the rays toward the base. So these rays go upward, half of the rays goes downward. That is why a concave lens behaves as diverging lens. I hope it is clear to you. We'll understand one more concept that is called image formation. So, image formation by the lenses in different positions. So, first we'll see about image formation. Image formation by lens. Let us first see. For any lens to form the image, what is necessary thing? The two light rays either they should meet or they should appear to meet. Meet means actually when the light rays are meeting, and appear to meet means the light rays they are not actually meeting. But what is happening? The light rays they are appear to meet. So in that case we'll get a virtual image. So let us understand this point that if we take a convex lens, we have taken this convex lens. Right? Now, in this convex lens, we want to form we want to image. So, this is optical center. Remember, this is the fact. If any ray passes through optical center like this, it will be undeviated. You should keep in mind the rays which passes through optical center, the principle of refraction doesn't work. It goes undeviated. The ray will go undeviated. There is no question of deviation. It will move like this. Second thing about the convex lens, you might be knowing it that the rays which will be parallel to the principal axis After refraction, it will pass through the focus. So we are going to use these two concepts only. The first is this, second is this. So let us take next. This is your focus. We are keeping the object at infinity. So light ray will come. This is the first point. The light object is at infinity. So rays of light will come parallel to the base of axis. And what will happen? It will meet at focus. So when the light rays will meet at focus, what will happen? You see, where the position of object is at infinity. Your object is at infinity. Object is at infinity. So when your object is at infinity, in that condition, what will happen? The rays of light will come parallel to the principal axis, they will meet at focus. So we will see here image. Object is here. Here in the sense is at infinite distance, far away. Now rays of light coming parallel to the principal axis, they are meeting at focus. So we'll see image here. In this condition, characteristics of image will be characteristics of image. So let us see characteristics of image. First, it will be real. Next, inverted. What will be size? Position is at focus. Size will be diminished. You can say point size image. So when we keep the object at infinity, in that condition, convex lens is going to form the image at focus, very small size, dimness in the point form. The characteristics of image will be real, inverted, at focus, and diminished. So these will be the characteristics. So your characteristics of image will be real, inverted. So real, inverted, at focus, and diminished image you are going to see at focus. So I hope this is clear to you. Thank you very much to be the part of this. Further on, we'll be continuing with the same motive every day. Please share my channels, subscribe it, and tell to your friend that revolutionary physics is going to come. Be the part of this. This is my promise. If you will watch it carefully, you will get 100% in your board examination. Thank you very much.